Guys, this is what happens when you are cuddling with the lady that says, I don't need a man. Look, if you are dealing with somebody and that person makes it clear to you that they don't like you or they don't like people in your category or people from your class, I'm telling you, you should leave the person. What are you still doing there? Because eventually they are going to bite you. They already have a preconceived notion about you or people from your side. All right, and you're going there. This is what unalived Samson. Samson was dating a lady from a place where those people don't like them. Go and read the story of Samson. You understand what I'm saying? If you're dating, some of you are in a relationship right now where your girlfriend or your boyfriend has told you, I don't like you, and you are still there. What are you hoping for? A miracle? The only miracle you will get is the one of the sign of Jonah. It will swallow you. I'm telling you. For instance, let's say you're from Abuja, right? Abuja in Nigeria, and you're dating a lady. You're going on a first date, and the lady says, I don't like Abuja guys, and you're there. You're an Abuja guy. What do you think is gonna happen? Eventually, when you guys have a single problem in the relationship, she's gonna jump into conclusion and say, "Oh, exactly what I said about Abuja guys or girls, as the case may be." Some of you are in relationships where the person has shown you that they don't like you. You understand? They don't like you. Or they insult you, they tell you bad things and you're still there. You have a problem, not the person. If somebody you are dating insults you, and you are still there, you have a problem. And one of these days you might see something worse. Because bullies don't just wake up and unalive their victim or bully their victim. They always test the waters. They push you a little today, you don't react. They push you more tomorrow. One day they go push you enter water, you drown. If you are dating someone and they say they don't like you, or they show you that they don't like you, end the relationship and move on. I'm telling you, you might miss the person. You know, your mind will play tricks on you. You miss the person once or twice. You call when you're not supposed to call. It's normal, but at the back of your mind, just know that you're walking away. It's a toxic relationship already. The person has a preconceived notion. Don't try to play the role of Jesus to change their mind. I'm telling you. If I'm from Imo State or Anambra or Delta State and you tell me you don't like Deltans and I'm from Delta, bro, I don't like you too. Which town are you from? You're from Togo. I don't like Togolese. You're from Kenya. I don't like you from Kenya, bro. You understand? As you don't like me, that thing happens in the offices, right? You know a certain colleague doesn't like you. You are trying to befriend them to change their mind. I'm telling you, they're going to get enough information to fire you. They will file a secret petition at some point and fire you. If you don't like me, I don't like you. If you're coming against me, best believe I come against you. I'll write that petition before you. It will shock you. You understand? I will write that petition before you. They will fire you. They're mad. I'm telling you the truth. So as a person, you need to know when the situation has got into a danger for you. You know when to move out. You know, don't always feel trapped. In fact, in some companies, there was a video I was seeing where one person was poisoning the tea, the coffee of everybody in the company. She was taking this detergent that they use in the bathroom. She would go to the coffee machine and spray it there. It was when people were getting sick of the same thing, they started investigating. They now use camera to catch the person. For that person to get to that point, she has had an issue in the company. And you're still drinking tea from the general coffee. That's what you can never see me do. I can never be working in a company and I'm going to take tea from the general. I can never take it. I don't trust everybody in the company. Not to talk of that disgruntled person, staff at the corner. I don't trust you. Don't trust me. I don't trust you. You understand? If I notice that you are trying to do something to me, I'll do it to you first. When we get to hellfire, we'll settle the issue. So I know that this video might be random, but there's somebody in a relationship now that their life needs to be saved. They need to watch this video and rethink. I'm telling you, there are billions of guys. God created 4 billion guys and 4 billion women, roughly equal. That's 8 billion people on this planet. So if one person is telling you that they don't like you, just know that there are billions more that like you. You just haven't found them. If you search hard enough, you find the ones that like you and you go with them. There's nothing you are doing with somebody that doesn't like you. Make sure you invest in crypto this year. Crypto is going to blow up. The US financial system is getting ready to start using crypto for international bank transfers as opposed to SWIFT. Things like SWIFT, Visa, they want to introduce crypto. That will make crypto the standard for international transfers, and it will boom. This is an early time to invest in crypto. Get into crypto right now and invest. Okay, and the way to invest is to visit investorpath.org or just click on my name, chat me up. I will show you how to invest. Remember that our platform, you buy the list of cryptos to invest, and then you go and invest. Under 10 minutes, you will have done your first crypto investment. And I advise that you do dollar cost average. At the end of every month, once you get your salary, you take a percent of it and put in crypto. Once you get your salary, you take a percent and put in crypto. Instead of waiting for when you have that bulk big money. If you have that bulk money, put it in crypto now, right? Spread it. Don't worry, when you chat up with admin will give you the right investment strategy, okay? But if you have big money, go in big now, right? Because crypto market is going down. That's the best time to buy a cheaper spread, because eventually it's going to go up. This is how crypto has always behaved in history since 2010. Down, up, down, up, down, up. That's how it has been going. So when it's down, is the cheap time to buy in, and buy in the right crypto. That's the thing. No, don't just put your money anywhere. This is not trading. You're supposed to get the cryptos that match your budget, that will grow according to your expectation. For instance, if you're investing 100,000 naira, you need something like 10 million naira at the end of the year. So there are cryptos that can do that. But if you have 10 million naira, you don't want to take so much risk, right? So something around 100 million naira is okay for you. That's just 10 times growth. But the guy with 100,000 is looking for 100 times growth, and they are willing to take the risk. So the platform calculates based on your budget and your expectation and gets you the right crypto to invest in. You invest and go and sleep. If you have money tomorrow, you still top it up on your own gradually until crypto market blows. Everybody gets rich. Make sure that you visit investorpath.org or just click on my name and chat me up. Make sure you share this video. Some people need to watch this video. Click the share button to share.